I got a pile of clean laundry. I have a cat down there. And then I have a dog.
Will she be able to point out the dog?
There. It's 7:40, I think, in the morning, and I need to get up. Even though I'm a stay-at-home wifey, we have animals to feed. Hence why I have two of them in my tiny house, because I'm assuming they wanted food and they thought I would wake up and get up. So, I am awake. I keep telling myself I'm awake. I'm awake. And we're gonna go check on the horses, because one of our horses is loose in the garden. And then I'm gonna feed the cats. Maybe I'll feed the cats first. So I'll leave you alone. Okay. I'm gonna get changed, and then I'll be right back. I'll let you know. Number 2. Leo! That's your cats. Alright, Zuko, come on. Good boy. I might have to put you down. Okay, so I have cat number 1 here, cat number 2, and cat number 3. You knew. You want some white food? I can give you some white food. Alright. Come on, Peter, let's go get some white food. Oh, you're not getting any. It's for the kitties. Only the kitties get wet food. Anyways, cats get fed in my sister's room, and I guess the dogs think they're getting some too, but they're not. So. So I need this one for you, yes. And the kitchen one. Here's the kitchen one for Zuko. Okay. And this one. Leo, far away from me. Leo! Stop. I got Zuko, Peter. I don't know what Leo's doing. He's gonna take his food. To avoid. Yeah, I thought I heard kitty paws, but we don't know. Okay. I need to go find the other cat. Okay, I have cat 1, cat 2, cat 3 leftovers. So I have to watch this one because he will eat their food. And then I have the dogs literally ready to eat whatever is left. You're done. Come on. Okay, now we need to go find the free horse. I don't know what these dogs are barking at, but clearly they do.
But do they, Fabi?
These drive me nuts. Drive me nuts. So, we have 4 horses, and one of them is loose. The question is where he is. I found him. He's right there. What are you doing? You also need your fly mask, which we're gonna do now. I know. It's your favorite part of the day. Trust me, it's mine too. And if my sister was here, she would be doing this. Not me.
But you love your sister, so you will do anything for her and her animals, right?
I have this horse who really wants to come in, but he can't come in because this horse won't eat his freaking medication. I've tried to hand feed it, and now he's avoiding it by eating the hay. So now I'm kind of wondering, do I take the hay away from him so he can eat that? Which I might do. Please eat your food. No. 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 No, Snowball. No. You have to eat this. You have to eat your meds. You have to eat your meds.
Does this lady even know what she is doing here?
No. You can have this when you're done with your meds. No. No. You'll eat your meds first.
Fabi, I don't think this is working.
I got one being sneaky. Got another one pissed off because I won't let him in because this one won't eat his meds. And then I got the chickens over there complaining. And then I got the big horses just being chill. Come on, Prince. You can come in now. Good boy. Oh, now you're eating it. The minute your brother comes in. That's where these animals.
I'm pretty sure that's what the animals are thinking the same about you.
I see one cat right here coming in for their lunch time. You ready to have some lunch, Leo? Here comes the next cat. 9, what? Come on, Leo. Where does it go? Cat number 3 is either inside still or not hungry. Are you hissing? You should not be hissing if I'm feeding you, sir.
Well, then hurry up and feed
I'm
me.
gonna tell your dad. He's gonna see this and he's gonna be really upset that you were hissing at the person that feeds you. Yeah. You hungry? You guys want some food? Oh, there's kitty number 3. You taking a nap, Bubba's? Here, Peter. A couple kibbles on the floor because you'll all get mad. They usually come in around lunchtime, all 3 of them. You probably know what time it is. It is lunchtime here. I gave Peter a couple of kibbles so he would leave these 2 alone. Okay, let's see if the horse is winning. Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. Were you scaring off people? Were you doing your job right? Huh, Chato? Hello, you two. So, the little ones get hay. I'm gonna take this one with me. You guys do your job right. You do a good job. You do a good job. Okay. I forget you have to lock the back one when you have the horses out. And they were out earlier, so that was nice. Okay. Okay. Okay, your food. Leo. You cracked me up. I just dropped. You guys look. There's a kitty in there. Hello. Hello. What are you doing in there? Go for it, Basil. I'm gonna pull them out and see if they're ready.
Oh, we are back to baking. Got it. Oh, let me show you guys. Don't they look amazing? Oh my god. They actually might be ready. I'm gonna grab I don't have a toothpick, so I'm just gonna. Why not stab a hole in all of them?
They can go for another couple of minutes, I think. Okay, we'll go put them in for a couple more minutes, but not much.